In this video I will show you how to create a pair of earrings, of macrame earrings, using some yarn. So I will take the yarn and a bit of cardboard and put the yarn around the cardboard. Like this. I will cut the yarn, then I will put the scissors under the yarns and cut the yarn like this. And through this loop I will put the ends of my yarn like this, and I will make another. Again, I will take the cardboard and I will also take these yarns and make a loop like this. Like this. So I have put the yarns and knotted the yarns on the frame of the earrings, and now I will use the scissors to cut the yarns. And now that I have attached the yarns, let's create the earring. I will take the jump ring and the jump ring opener, and I will open this jump ring. Then I will put the jump ring on my earring like this. And I will put the fishhook ear wire like this. Now I will close the jump ring. And the earring is ready. And now let's make the other earring as well.